The clack of typewriter keys echoed through the empty apartment, each letter pressing itself into the page long after midnight. Anna hadn't owned a typewriter, but tonight, one had appeared on her desk, a relic, gleaming and cold. She stared at the sheet, where words formed without her touch. "I am waiting." Heart pounding, she backed away. The carriage returned with a metallic snap, and another line appeared. "Don't leave me unfinished." Shadows flickered in the corners as if something moved just out of sight. The air grew thick, stale, heavy with dust and secrets. Anna's trembling hands hovered over the keys. She pressed one, and the machine shuddered, almost grateful. "Tell my story," it demanded. Her fingers danced unwillingly, typing out events she'd never lived, tragedies she'd never known. Blood pooled at the keys, her fingertips raw, yet she couldn't stop. The final line appeared on its own. "Now you belong to me." Anna's scream was swallowed by the click-clack, her body dissolving into ink and paper. When dawn broke, the typewriter was silent except for a new sheet. "I am waiting." Subscribe for more videos.